You can also have a customer that walks into your business and buy items with cash. Then you're not going to go through this whole process of doing a quotation, a sales order, and an invoice. Then you'll go straight to the customer documents. You're going to click on tax invoice, and you're going to process the cash sales transaction. So in our example, on the 17th of March, the cash customer walked into your business and buy 2 coffee tables. As well as 1 sleeper couch. You have processed the invoice, you go to batch and you update. This customer can still bring back one of the items and you will still be able to process then your credit note.